Camaro SF. This one does have some stuff on it here. It's got a rotofab, and I haven't seen one yet, but I'm assuming that, I believe this is the LT2 intake manifold from the C8. Hopefully I'm not an idiot.
Bolt-on?
Yep.
Headers, intake, and manifold?
I'm gonna go, this one's manual?
Yep.
For $495.
Real.
Yeah.
More along the lines of like 465.
Huh?
465 more along the lines of.
Okay.
That
482.
son of a bitch, really?
Got to be. I have you beat by 0.07.
0.07. What do you mean?
Because I said 495, so
I
I'm
said 465.
yeah, you're 15 below, I'm 15 above. But it's yeah, but it's 0.07 in my favor. Alright, we have White Camaro Kyle over here in the building. Draining the fluids. Getting it done.
Starting the process all over again.
On your third White Camaro in a row.
Heads cam, Camaro in a row.
Oh, all three have gotten heads cam too? At least this was an LT, so it's something different.
So it'll take longer.
Nah.
Garrett probably don't even know what Kensington is.
It's a real nice place, honestly.
Never
You know
been.
what Kensington is?
They got great food.
Nah, I've never been.
Watch a documentary. And you should probably go, actually.
That's what I'm saying.
Just go there.
He should take a trip.
Don't watch the documentary, just go there.
Live
Like,
it.
just look around.
Just live it.
Park your car. Go on
Make sure you park your car
Instagram.
there and leave it.
Go on Instagram and search Kensington Beach. Do you follow that page?
No.
You don't follow that page? You have to. If you don't know how to spell it, just sound it out.
Kensington's pretty.
I can't believe you don't follow that page.
Okay, lunchtime, son.
No shirt, huh?
Already gave Derek.
Oh.
Oh, but the one to go to. Stay in AC for the weekend. I guess it depends whose wedding it is.
Oh, missed it.
Can it only go in one direction?
What do you mean I can go both
And
directions?
you're going up and down?
I can go both directions.
I thought you went past.
Well, I did go past it. Then you hold it down. After you hold it down for some amount of seconds, it jumps 10 in 10-pound increments.
Oh, okay. You're lucky it's not mad over here.
Yeah.
All of your guns are a problem. Your torque wrench is a problem.
Yeah, I'm just a problem, Garrett.
He just doesn't like your tool set.
Yeah, at least he has tools. Maybe that's why he's jealous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Certainly likes mine, I'll tell you that. I spend more time over at Matt's side of the bench looking for my tools than I do working on cars. Shit, he puts my tools in the trailer now. Like, I'm like, dude, where's my tools? He's like, oh, I took them to the race last week. They're in the trailer. Sick.
Yeah.
I wonder if you could fit the C8 like engine cover on this thing in here. I guess probably not.
What does it even look like?
I'll pull up a picture.
2018 6-gen Camaro. Got our full head scan package. That's it. It already had engine 7/8 American Racing headers, and a rotofab and an LT2 intake. Came from Alabama. So let's see what this thing's got. Baseline 480. Seems high. I know it wasn't stock. .572, 475 torque. .576, 493.
575, 496. We're gonna dump some E in it. We'll be right back. All right, we dumped some E in. It's got 33%. It's nice and heat soaked from me cycling the E around, but let's see what we got. $584. $587, 512 torque. You can dump the rest in. Right back. All right, just dump more in, got it circulated around. We're at 50, like right at 50% actually. $589. $513. I actually think I can rev this thing a little higher and it might make more. Let me try. Seems like it's making peak power like right when I let off. But a lot of times I do that and then I run it out and it doesn't make any more. Yeah, no, I literally let off like right at peak. Made 588. I'm gonna let this thing cool down a little bit because I've been hammering on this thing. And then we'll be back. All right, let it cool down for, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe 15. $588. Thing's a bracket dyno car. $595, $519. That's it for this. Back to Alabama. Solid pickup. Later.